Good afternoon everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home and safe. Okay my dears. Which period is this? This is English period. Which period is this? English period. And we have learned all the formation of lowercase letter. We have learned all the formation of lowercase letter A to Z. A to Z. So today we will do revision. What we will do? Revision A to Z. We will write in sequence. Today we will write A to Z, lowercase letter A to Z in sequence. Okay. So all of you take out your notebooks. Yes. All of you take out your notebook fast. Pencils, erasers and sharpeners. Okay. Pencil, eraser and sharpener. Take out your notebooks. Yes. Sharp your pencil. Sharp your pencil. Yes, beta, fast. Taken out. Ready for writing? Ready for writing? Yes, we will write lowercase letter A to Z. What we will do? We will write lowercase letters, small letters. We have already learned capital letters A to Z. So today we will write small letters, that means lowercase letter A to Z. So ready? Okay. So tell me which letter will come first? Letter small A. How you will write? You will write small a between two lines. Okay? Between two lines. Middle line and base line. How you will write? You know how to write? Yes. Curve, standing line and a small tail of A. Okay? Small A. Which letter is this? Small A. Okay. Written? Done? Write neatly. Don't do overwriting and don't write out of the lines. Okay? A. After A, which letter will come? After A, which letter will come? B. So how you will write B? Standing line from upper line. Then curve in between two lines. B. Which letter is this? Small B. Which letter is this? Small B. Look here, B is looking to A. So curve will come at B side, A side. B is looking to A. So curve will come at A side. A, B. Done? A, B. Done in your notebook? Okay. After B, which letter will come? Small letter C. Which letter will come? Small letter C. Between two lines only. Okay? Done? Write neatly all of you. A, B, C. Curve between two lines. A, B, C. You have to say and write. You have to say and write. A, B, C. After C, which letter will come? D. Which letter will come? D. Standing line and then curve. Standing line and then curve between two lines. A, B, C, D. Written? Done in your notebook? Done in your notebook? Okay. A, B, C, D. After D, which letter will come? E. Which letter will come? E. How you will write? You will write E between two lines. Okay. Like this. First curve, then turn and then make a curve. So which letter is this? E. Small letter E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Written? Done in your notebook? Yes, write neatly. Don't write out of the lines. Okay. D, E. After E, which letter will come? F. F you will start from upper line. F you will start from upper line. Look here. First curve, then standing line, and after that sweeping line. Okay? How you will write? Curve, down, and then sweeping line. Which letter is this? Letter F. Small f. You have to remember that B will look at A and D will look at E. Okay? Both will look opposite side. So A, B, C, D, E, F. After F, which letter will come? Small letter. We are writing small letter, not capital letter. Okay. So after F, which letter will come? G. How you will write G? First you have to make C between two lines, then standing line, and then curve. Which letter is this? G. Small letter G. The lowercase letter G. Done? Done? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. After G, which letter will come? After G, which letter will come? H. How you will write H? Standing line. Okay. Then curve between two lines. Okay. So which letter is this? Small h. Small h. G H. Done? Yes, done? Okay. G H. After H, which letter will come? I. G H I. How you will write I? Standing line between two lines. Standing line between middle line and base line, and one dot on the standing line. So which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. G H I. Small letter I. Now after I, which letter will come? J. G H I J. How you will write J? You will start writing J from here, from middle line, standing line, and then curve, and one dot on the J. Okay? So this is small letter J. Small letter J. G H I J. Done? After G, which letter will come? Which letter will come? K. G H I J. Then K. How you will write K? Standing line and slanting line between two lines. K. Okay? Slanting line between two lines. So which letter is this? K. G H I J K. After K, which letter will come? Which letter will come? L. So L, how you will write? You will start from upper line to base line, standing line. So which letter is this? L. G H I J K L. Okay? L. After L, which letter will come? Which letter will come? G H I J K L. After L, which letter will come? M. Which letter will come? M. And M you have to write between two lines only. Look here. Down, up, curve, down, up, curve, and down. like this. You have to write letter M. Which letter is this? Small letter M. This small letter, that's why we are writing in 2 lines. Okay. G-H-I-J-A-L M. After M, which letter will come? N. N is the half part of M. Okay. N is the half part of M. Or you will write down, then up, curve, and then down. Okay. Which letter is this? Letter N. Okay. M, N. After N, O. O you will write between 2 lines only. Between 2 lines. M, N, O. You have to write, you are writing capital letter O in a circle now, but we are writing in 4 lines. But small letter we are writing in 2 lines only. M, N, O. After O, which letter will come? P. Standing line, you have to start from middle line. Small p, you have to start from middle line. Then curve. Okay. Then curve. Standing line and then curve. So which letter is this? P. Then M, N, O, P. After P, small letter Q. How you will write small letter Q? Look here. Curve between 2 lines, standing line and up. Which letter is this? Q. Which letter is this? Q. M, N, O, P, Q. After Q, which letter will come? R. Small letter R. How you will write small letter R? Standing line, up, and then small tail. Okay. Like this you have to write letter R. Small letter R. Okay. Look here in 2 lines only. Like here standing line, then up and small tail. Okay. So which letter is this? Small R. Which letter is this? Small R. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Okay. Done? Done in the notebook? Done in the notebook till R? Okay. P, Q, R. After R, which letter will come? S. We will write in 2 lines only. Letter S, we will write in 2 lines only. Okay. After S, which letter will come? T. After S, which letter will come? T. So how you will write T? Standing line, then curve and up, and then sleeping line. So which letter is this? Letter T. Okay. S, T. Done in your notebook? S, T. After T, which letter will come? U. After T, which letter will come? U. So how you will write U? Standing line, curve, up, down, and small tail. Which letter is this? U. Which letter is this? U. S, T, U. Okay. S, T, U. After U, which letter will come? V. Which letter will come? V. How you will write? Standing line down, then up. V. Which letter is this? V. S, T, U, V. After V, which letter will come? W. So how you will write? Down, curve, up, again down, curve, up. So which letter is this? W. S, T, U, V, W. Done? Done in your notebook? Done? Okay. S, T, U, V, W, X. X you have to write like capital letter only, but in 2 lines. X you have to write like capital letters only, but in 2 lines. Okay. S T U V W X. After X, which letter will come? Y. You have to write. First you have to write U, then down and curve. Y. Which letter is this? Y. W X Y. Done? Done in your notebook or not? Yes or not? Done? Okay, very good. After that you have to write Z. Which letter is this? Z. You have to write like capital letter only, but small letter will come in 2 lines. Okay? It is same as capital letter, but it will come in 2 lines. Small letter Z will come in 2 lines only. In 2 lines. So we have completed all this letter in our notebook, and today we have done revision from A to Z, and we have learned to write in sequence. Okay, what we have learned? We have learned small letter in sequence. So this is your classwork and your homework. And your homework is, again you have to write A to Z in your notebook 2 times. Again you have to write A to Z in your notebook 2 times. How many times? 2 times. This is your homework. Write neatly. Okay? Not out of the line, in the line. So you have to write A to Z 2 times in your notebook. This is your classwork. 1 time you have written in class, and 2 times you have to write in, and 2 times you have to write in notebook, and 2 times you have to write in notebook. Okay? Okay, now all of you close your book. Okay. Okay, all of you. Now close your hand, fold your hands and sit properly. Okay. Okay, now you have to look here. We have done phonics till B. Now today we will learn of W. Today we will learn phonic sound of W. Okay. Look here. This is capital letter W and this is small letter W. This is small letter W. Okay. Just a minute. All of you.
कैमरे के सामने पढ़ा
Okay, now we will learn phonic sound of W. We have learned till B. Now we will learn phonic sound of W. Okay, the phonic sound of W is W. V. Sound of W is V. Okay, look here. W for wall. W for wall. Okay. W for watch. W for watch. W for watch. Okay. Then W for, say, wait. Wait. Okay. W ball. W watch. W wait. Okay. Now W for well. Well. W for well. What we do from well? We take water. Okay. W for well. W for well. W ball. W watch. W wait. W well. Okay. So you have to repeat all this in your. You have to repeat all this in your house. Okay. So this is the sound of W. Okay. So do practice at your home. Till then, bye and have a nice day.